So, hello, welcome to the IMA booth, ACHEMA 2024. We are here in hall number 3. My name is Thomas Fricke. I'm the commercial director of the pharma department, pharma division of the IMA group. And we would like to talk to you about the IMA booth and what we are showcasing here. During this exhibition here in Frankfurt, we have some key trends which we are talking about with most of the customers, which are related to your requests, what we have to showcase, because we just took a selection of machines with us talking about cell and gene therapy. So the new machine, which is in a restricted area here with a magnetic tile movement, brand new, I think the first one of its case. Directly behind me, there is the Injector 36,000. The name is Injector 36, but it's 36,000 vials or syringes per hour for injectables, vaccines, filling, and so on. 100% check weigh, so really something high speed. We have covered these two different speed sectors, which is cell and gene very low, injectables very high speed. Other things here important are in the solid dose sector, the technology about continuous production. We have a tablet press which is producing continuously tablets with a 6-feeder system, a mixing system and a PAT technology to check the homogeneity of the blend. Then we do the pressing, and later on, depending on the volume, up to 100 kilogram, we have the chroma coater. Above 100 kilogram per hour, we have the Axela coater from Thomas Engineering from the States. That's about the process part. In the packaging part, we are going into the direction of AI. Means we have a digital, let's say, automatic changing cartoning machine where all the different parameters are changed automatically with servo motors. So no technical intervention necessary. Within 10 minutes, you have a changeover. Medium speed. Going to high speed, we have a blister line which runs at 1,300 blisters per minute. Talking about here, what we show is even 13,000 tablets per minute, just to give you an idea about the quantity. Then you go into the cartoning area with 500 boxes per minute, so also there something really interesting. The last trend is, everybody heard from you about obesity injections, auto-injectors. Here we have a small medium-sized machine called X-Pen, which is producing in an assembly way the auto-injectors for the products which are below this high threshold of pharma production for these type of medicine in diabetes. At the end of the day, there is also a perfect pack for sachet and stick pack filling, where you can have 2 or 3 different dosings on the machine for different APIs or basic granulates you want to fill in. That's basically what we showcase here. If you would come to Bologna, I can show you much more. I guess you heard about the all-in-one pharma strategy from the IMA group already. With the pure size of IMA, which is a business which have grown from 2022 to 2023 from 2 billion to 2.3 billion. We have all the technologies, all the products to produce complete lines, but not only complete lines, complete factories. So with the size of IMA, we can supply lines which are completely tested within our facility, but not only lines, but also complete production facilities, from the dispensing, granulation, tablet pressing, blister packaging, from the liquid filling to the labeling, to the assembly, to the packaging of liquids. So our idea is to support the customer in a way that their engineering department has less trouble to do the projects, and also less trouble to integrate the line at the customers, because with the all-in-one pharma strategy, it goes along also with the service in our worldwide network. Being the biggest one in this field, we have a worldwide service network which helps you to install the machine and service them. There we got a lot of help from our digital department, which is supporting transversally the support for our customers, remote control, supervision, predictive maintenance, preventive maintenance, and a new buzzword which I should not forget, support in documentation searches with ChatGPT. I learned the first time from my daughter, and now I'm integrating it here. So that's it. I don't know if you still like to talk about sustainability, because you have heard it so many times that people are talking about this. We are now forced by our customers to put life to the words. So we are really living sustainability. We are integrating SBTi technology or requests into our daily life. We have developed systems to save energy, to save water consumption, to do in the freeze-drying business, for example, the freeze-drying process, not anymore with any detergents or any liquids inside the system. We are using pure air. It's a patented system called cryo-air. If you go to the packaging department, you will see that all our lines are now running with sustainable monomaterial, which has been developed in one of our 4 open labs. Open lab in IMA means that we have real laboratories with technical people, with scientists, with packaging material specialists, which are developing together with customers suitable solutions for their packaging machine, new ones and existing ones. So we are trying to help our customers to produce with sustainable material. And you can see it here. All the samples are there.
Hi, good morning. My name is Luca Cavazzini, Sales and Marketing Director at IMA Active. I'm very glad to welcome you here in our competence center area. We are constantly invest and innovate our product line, starting from capsule filler, where we complete the line with Adapta 721, and we are also making our new groups for DPIs for the inhalable product. We are also making a complete new series of tablet press. Soon we are going to have on the market 4 new models that will be available at the beginning of the next year. The main investment that we are doing and under the point of view of innovation is the continuous area. We have here, just outside our area of competence center, the CDC, continuous direct compression. Is a line composed by Gericke unit, a mixing unit supplied by our partner Gericke, a Prexima 300 tablet press, and everything is connected or can be connected to our continuous coater, Chroma. Beside Chroma, we have also the alternative for continuous coater for higher output, the Assela CTC 500 manufactured by IMA Thomas. When we decided to invest in continuous manufacturing, we thought a lot which was the best area where to start. Considering our competitors, they already have some machines good for granulation, so they have a dedicated machine for granulation in continuous. For this reason, we decided not to start from this part, but be focused at the beginning on coating area. So we developed our coating machine for continuous production. And the last acquisition that we have done with Thomas in the United States complete our range of continuous coaters. So now we have Chroma manufactured in Bologna and CTC 500 and 1000 manufactured in the United States. Considering how strong we were already in coating, we went directly to CDC, continuous direct compression, in order to have the complete line for compression connected to the continuous coater. And these are the fields where we felt we could add more to the market and go to have something that our competitors are still somehow missing, instead of focus on area where our competitors were already present. This is the main reason why we decided to choose these 2 areas at the beginning, but for sure in the future we are going to continue to invest and develop something in the continuous manufacturing area. In the last year, we became much more than a single supplier for a single machine. So now we have to think much wider. This is the reason why we think that our competence center is a big added value for our customer. We are capable to do every kind of test in our lab in Bologna. Our lab, the new name is Competence Center, where we have always machines available for trial with our customer, with their specific product or with our placebo. Further than this, we are introducing many other articles to our range of equipment. One very important is composed by our training program. We are capable with our technologists that are working in our competence center to develop and give to our customer complete package about training specific on our machine, but also in relation to the process in general. We are putting together packages in order to give to our customer information and training school about production of compression, capsule filling, granulation, coating, and all our range of equipment. This is something that is new and is already available. We are ready to give this package to our customer, not only in Bologna, but also in our new competence center in Chicago, where we have IMA Thomas. We have machines available for test for all the customers that are in the area of North and South America. This is giving to IMA the ability to be not, again, only a supplier of a single machine, but we want to give to our customer the complete package in order to be a real partner for their need.
Hi, my name is Marcello Gelfi, and I'm the sales director for the EMEA region for IMA Life. I joined IMA 12 years ago, and previously I worked for other companies in the pharmaceutical business. So I'm in the pharmaceutical business for about 20 years. So here in ACHEMA we are introducing the PFS high-speed filling unit. We have enhanced the concept that we have used for the medium-low speed machine using the Kawasaki robot, being very comfortable about the technology and the application thanks to the 12 unit that we have already in operation in various companies. So the idea is to use the flexibility of the robot not only to handle the nest and the tub, but also having the opportunity to displace the robot in different positions, allow us to, for example, move the filling nozzle into a position for the assembly, the cleaning, or introduction for the cleaning and the sterility in place of the filling circuit in a position which is not in proximity of the product path. So enhanced the sterility and helping the operator to have an easy accessibility to this very important operation. Here in ACHEMA we are also introducing the Nebula, which is our decontamination tunnel, which allows us to introduce the tub, I would say naked, without any bags around, to be then decontaminated with an injection of H2O2 with a high concentration. This is an alternative to the e-bin, more or less, and it is also a very well-known technology, but with a recent application in the pharmaceutical business, because it is most used and well-known and well-established in the food industry. So being IMA able to supply the full portfolio of a sterile filling line, we are capable not only to supply the machine, but also to be a real partner, being able to pass to our customer all the instruments, the tools, the ideas that could come owning the full process of a filling line. For example, we can help them in the freeze drying cycle development, but also in the VHP qualification process. So a sterile filling line, it is a full complete process. It's not only just the supplying of an equipment. We also have the digital business unit that will help the customer not only to be able to operate and produce with the machine, but also to check the behavior of the machine along the life cycle of the equipment. Being able to recognize where could be the potential issue that could arise also in a future with the predictive maintenance and predictive analysis of the data available on the machine, but also adding additional sensors to be able to detect the behavior of the line from a various perspectives, process and operation. So for the small batch production and the new drugs that are coming for cell gene therapies or very specialized therapies with a value product and very, very small batch, IMA have developed specifically a unit with a magnetic, sorry for the pronunciation, transportation system. The equipment is called Tile X, and it is just a tile that is moving on a plan with a magnetic levitation system. The system allows us to do different operations in a not linear transportation system, so you could have multiple filling of different products with different temperature. We can also shake in the vial in case, which is a common needs for this kind of therapy sometimes. We can handle different stoppers placement in different time, different position of the machine, because it's a totally free transportation system, not linked to any path, product path or a predefined road into the tire. We not only have worked on the part relevant to the filling and the stoppering, but we have also used the tile to introduce, for example, the environmental monitoring media, the tools. So the magnetic is not only managing the filling and the stoppering, but the assembly of various important steps of the process that represent a real gloveless solution nowadays. So I'd like to thank all the visitors, customers, friends, potential customers for being with us in this very exciting exhibition. We wait for you or in the IMA plant, or you can visit us in the social media, website, all the information are available. You have your contact details. Stay in contact with us. See you in CPHI for the next development.